Both of them.
Stop touching the paper too. Just take it. Come on. You eat one of these, the pain goes away from the eyes.
No, it doesn't. It just makes me more dumb.
No. Okay. So if you like have like a 15-inch cut in your calf, and your eyes are burning, which one are you gonna feel?
My eye.
All right, let's go.
Oh.
Are we taking a whole bite?
It's like
this?
actually like fire.
Are we doing this?
I don't know.
I think we should.
My eye's gonna be red.
Let's go. Go. Oh no, I put too much.
Can't do that either.
I feel like this is gonna hit us.
Whoa.
What's this?
This isn't spicy. That's the one I just had.
What? That is worse than the last one.
I got a lot of seeds. I just don't think it's hit me yet. Oh, it's coming.
Bro, my eye.
I took a big bite.
God.
I'm still chewing.
I don't want to drink this.
I wouldn't.
God, you just. I swallow it, and it's so spicy.
Every 2 seconds.
Oh my gosh.
No.
Let's hurry this up so I can put my eye back under the sink.
You're the one in control. It's so hot. I like it. Burning. It's a fire. Oh no.
Now, their seeds going all up and down.
Lights, please. Lights, please. Turn off the lights. Now everything's gonna be alright. J. Cole classic. My tongue is burning so bad. Oh, it's hitting me now. I'm starting to sweat. Are you guys ready? The sooner we do it, the faster the pain will be over. Collateral damage, though. Collateral damage.
Let's go.
Wait, whoa. You guys both get the ends. I get this motherfucker.
Well, what you want us to do? We'll do.
Are you guys ready? There's plenty of seeds in here. You want the end of this one? Are you ready?
3. Just go.
Oh no. I can already tell.
That does taste like poo poo.
Oh, okay. Everything's okay. I'm gonna take another bite. I took another bite because I'm a crazy ass.
Give me water.
We're little bitches.
I'm water. Where are the cups at? I'm crying.
Oh Jesus, take the wheel!
Give me a cup.
Hurry up!
I need a cup.
They're in there. They're in there.
Where?
Did you hurry up and get a call? I don't care.
Okay, give me it.
It burns so bad. I took a second bite. It's worse after you stop drinking milk. Oh. Are my eyes watery?
Yeah.
Dude, I don't even know.
I'm done, bro. Oh my god. Oh. Josh, bring the milk back.
My mom said you might have diarrhea tomorrow. It might burn when it comes out. I can't pour it. Oh my god, it burns!
Why do we do that? Yeah.
You know, it's not that bad because I'm able to laugh still. But
Look at him, he's a mess.
I was trying to drink milk and I couldn't stop laughing. It's got to the point where it was just hysterical.
What?
It won't go away.
Oh, I was not ready.
It's so hot. You got this all on recording.
We're out of milk.
I'm washing my hands.
Yeah.
Do your eyes burn still?
No. I don't feel that anymore.
I told you.
You could not pay me any money to do that again.
Probably walking with pain in your ankle right now. You should do that because it'll make it better. You probably can't feel it.
How y'all feel? How you feel? We ain't doing no Carolina nothing.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck all that.
That Sensolo pepper was.
I don't even know what the fuck that shit was called.
It hurts so bad.
I just saw it. I'm like, yo, we gotta get this. Oh no.
I think Scoville unit might have been in the 100,000s.
Ugh. My insides are just like saying no.
Why did they sell that?
Exactly.
I haven't drank milk in so long, it's gonna hurt my stomach. Just the milk.
Ugh.
I don't even like milk, and I was down in that shit.
For real. Oh, but when you stopped drinking it, it just like started burning more.
Also, laughing, the air's going in and out so much.
Oh.
Holy shit, it's burning so bad.
I think I can speak for all three of us here.
And their fucking porta potties killing my grass.
We're not doing this again.
Yeah, we are.
At least not for a while.
No, we're doing it next week.
Fuck all that. Wait, when does Jared come? I'll do it again when he comes back.
I don't know if he's coming back.
Oh, he's
I'm gonna need you to post this YouTube video.
Yeah. Yeah. It's going up.
It burns so bad.
My burps. It's making me burp.
See, if people haven't eaten hot peppers before, it literally just feels like, have you ever had really hot water? But worse. It's like you're basically literally on fire. When people say they're not joking, it literally feels like your mouth's on fire.
What is that? Is that one of like the Gatorade bars?
I took it out of my stash. I felt like it was right.
I'm finally starting to feel better. See, I had to get through that phase where I stopped drinking milk. I'm glad I swallowed it fast. I knew I should have.
Boy, I kept that shit in my mouth. that's why I started gagging.
I didn't taste anything at first. That's why I kept it in my mouth.
Exactly. I'm just like, I was chewing slowly, and then out of nowhere, just like, get bitch slapped.
The worst peppers have the longest delays.
I spit's a different color now.
Oh my god. Josh goes, is your eye burning anymore? Fuck no.
I told you so.
Nah. It's because my throat, my lips, and my tongue are finna die.
I gotta pee so bad.
I don't think you want to.
I think I've drank a gallon of water today.
Oh my god.
Construction workers in their porta potty. That's killing my damn grass. Jeez. I'm already an old man.
We should get Natalie to try it when she gets back.
Just tell her it's not that bad. Tell her it tastes so good.
I feel like that's extra fucked up.
I want some ice cream. That's what I want. I'm glad I bought that. Why did you grab that? It's like every single pepper we had got one pepper. And then in the long scale, this is it. It's at a